have a good bed of coals. So as you can see, we got a good bed of coals. We're probably going to put some more wood on here shortly so we can keep that fire going the whole length of time we're cooking. You guys can grab the other one, we'll put that in at the same time. You always want tongs or some welder's gloves to keep your hands safe.